Ulu Bai Rainforest be a habitat for tropical flora and fauna species. It will bring the greatest experience for the nature lovers around the globe. Then we will combine with nature and take a value of appreciation. Ulu Bai bring the memorable experience for jungle trekking, camping and plus for research. The sustainable of nature price make us to the preserving. Be a heritage for future generation, defend, preserve and maintain more than just a forest, but keep it as a treasure. When the night time has come, Ulu Bai Rainforest bring the different experience. You will feel a great scenery when life movement will active in the night. In the morning, we will hear the sound of jungle and enjoy the fresh air. That will bring the peaceful moment and revive our energy. Trekking really suitable, we will explore along the river. The Ulu Bai River flows down from the legendary Nsanga Hill. Nsanga Hill in 500-meter height from sea level, around 3 hours journey from Ulu Bai. Along our trekking, we will reach the next waterfall. Only certain people able to reach this waterfall due to far and risky pathway. That is why the waterfall isolated from the public and the location still clean and fresh.